Ethics in Buddhism. Buddha taught 10 meritorious deeds for us to perform in order to gain a happy and peaceful life as well as to develop knowledge and understanding. The 10 meritorious deeds are charity, morality, mental culture, reverence or respect, service in helping others, sharing merits with others, rejoicing in the merits of others, preaching and teaching the Dhamma, listening to the Dhamma, strengthening one's views, moral conduct, benefits all beings with whom one comes into contact. Mental culture brings peace to others and inspires them to practice Dhamma. Reverence gives rise to harmony in society. Service improves the lives of others. Sharing merits with others shows that one is concerned about others' welfare. Rejoicing in others' merits encourages others to perform more merits. Teaching, listening to Dhamma is important factor for happiness for both the teacher and the listener. Straightening one's views enables a person to show others the beauty of Dhamma. There are 10 meritorious deeds from which the Buddhists are advised to keep away. These deeds are rooted in the greed, hatred, delusion, and they will bring suffering to others. These 10 deeds are divided into 3 sets. Actions of the body, verbal actions, actions of the mind, bodily actions, killing of living beings, stealing and unlawful sexual intercourse. 4 verbal actions are lying, slander, harsh speech and meaningless talk. The other 3 actions of the mind are covetousness or being desirous especially of things belonging to others, ill will, wrong views. Buddhist morality judges an action good or bad basing on intention or motivation from which it originates. If a person performs an action but of greed, hatred, delusion, his action is considered to be bad. On the other hand, if he performs an action out of love, charity and wisdom, his action is good. Love, charity and wisdom are known as the 3 good roots. Here the word root refers to the intention from which that action originates. In Buddhism, the person's first duty is to cleanse him of the mental defilements of greed, hatred and ignorance. The reason for doing this cleansing is not because of fear or desire to please some divine beings. If this is so, that would mean that the person is still lacking in wisdom. He is the only acting out of fear, like the little child who is afraid of being punished for being naughty. A Buddhist should act out of understanding and wisdom. He performs good actions because he realizes that by so doing he develops his moral strength, which provides foundation of spiritual growth leading to liberation.